Hello, I'm CG. This is a quick video to show how to vertically center text in Photoshop. After starting Photoshop, we can go to New File to create a new document. And I will choose this preset, Web Large, and keep this setting and click Create to create a new document. So an artboard is created. Next, we can go to left toolbar. We can find Type Tool, click and hold. We can find Horizontal Type Tool here. And then we can click on Artboard and start to type. For example, I type to enter vertically center text. Enter in Photoshop. I should type capital P. So we can see that the texts are aligned to the left. If you want to align to the center, make sure that we select all the texts. I press Ctrl A to select all the texts and then go to top option bar. We can find center text. Click it. So we can make the center alignment. So if we want to move to center, we can go to use move tool and then we can find align horizontal centers. Click it to center to the artboard and we can click align vertical centers, align to the artboard. So this is how we can vertically center text in Photoshop. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG. See you in the next video.